I'll share my world with you.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, this video is all about this gorgeous Kinky Straight V-Part human hair wig, which I recently purchased from Shein. I'll be doing a quick tutorial on how I installed and styled this unit. So stay tuned and let's get started. I've previously washed and conditioned the wig, which I usually do with all of my human hair pieces. I recommend doing this. It's best to make sure that the unit is clean before wearing it. Let's take a look at this beauty. I really like how it looks and feels. This is a kinky straight texture, which is similar to a type 4 hair blowout. It has a density of 150% and the length that I got is 18 inches. As you can see, it has 3 combs with an additional 5 clips attached to the V-part. I braided my hair as neatly as possible as I'm not a braider. I also left enough leave out for the wig. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this out. I really want to cut them close enough without cutting the hair. This is optional. You don't need to wear a wig cap. So now, I'm just installing this V-part unit. I'll start by putting the clips at the top. Then slide in the 3 combs on the sides.
You can't even see me. It's all that is me to be on you. I'm just saying like me. Yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. I'll be honestly, open your eyes and see.
I'm blending my leave out, just trying to position it how I want it to be. I love how this blends seamlessly with my own hair. It looks like it's grown out of my scalp. Wow, it looks so natural. So I'm going to quickly straighten it to see if I can achieve a yaki straight look. I used the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant Spray and the Remington Extra Wide Hair Straightener.
I'll share my world with you.
So yeah, this is the end result. As you can see, I didn't fully straighten it. It's a versatile unit. It's soft and doesn't shed much. It's easy to install. I love the length. Again, this is 18 inches long, which is a great length, but it's also available in longer and shorter lengths. It's easy to style and blends in well with natural type 4 hair or relaxed hair like mine. It's really affordable for the quality, and I think it's a great buy. For more details, I'll put the link in the description box. That's all for this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get updates on my upcoming videos. See you in the next one.